Hey guys, what's that sound? That's the sound of the names in a bucket for the AES Wave Test League kit. This is a fantastic kit. Guys, if you're signed up for the Core Premium membership, you are entered in to win this kit right now. And also, next month we'll be giving away another one. So we got another one of those to give away. Guys, I've been super duper busy. I mean, I've been slammed. Today would have been a fantastic day to go ahead and bring a camera along with me. I'm just going to go over what I did because sometimes people are asking me, hey, Brian, what are you doing these days? We started out today with a 2012 Ford Focus. This has a PCM, a brand new PCM installed. The PCM actually fell out and the vehicle ran over it. I don't know how it happened. The brackets were broken to hold the PCM in, so it fell out because it's right in front of the left front wheel and it got ran over. After that, we did an 11 Ford Fiesta with a used transmission assembly in it. That was a project. A little challenging for me to get that one done, but we got it done no problem. After that was an 03 Expedition with a replacement computer. We had to do the computer programming, you know, PMI with a Ford, no problem, and they had a key, actually make a key so we could program 2 keys to it. That's what we did there. After that was a 2013 Chevy Suburban with a transmission control module. Easy, no problems there whatsoever. And after that one was a 2009, this was a Dodge Avenger. I got called out to program or update the computer in this Dodge Avenger because I was setting intake manifold runner control valve circuit codes. Something kept on setting. It had a lovely Dorman unit on there, but it turns out the Dorman unit wasn't the problem for that valve. It was a bad connection there. I got there on site. I went to go update the computer. It had the latest calibrations in it. I've been called out to program, I believe there's an update for these for when that valve's out of calibration or something to help the computer learn it and not set a code so easy. But this one did not have an update, so I took a look at the scan data, and I could see it was reading 0.15 volts for the position. It had a learned like closed position, I believe it was like 2.2 volts, and a learned open position of 3.9, but the voltage was 0.15 volts. Just reaching down there, pushing on the connector on this thing, I could get the voltage to change on the scan tool, so I knew we were on the right track there. So we helped that one out a little bit. After that was a 2016 Chevy Suburban. This is a mighty 8-speed transmission. That is the M5U. I think it's M5U, MU5, no, it's the M5U transmission, 8-speed. Guys, when you do these, basically the new transmission will come with what they call the TUN. That's a transmission unique identifier or transmission identifier. I don't understand why they have all these numbers and stuff. It's like characterization numbers and whatnot for the transmission. You enter that in, just make sure the ECM and TCM are updated, clear the codes, do a fast adapt learn, and you're all set there. After that, I had a 2009 Chevy Cobalt, and this one had a intermittent, like low power, loss of power, reduced power, limp-in mode situation. And I found a wire. This is the 5-volt reference right here. This was rubbing against the engine mount bracket or a lift mount bracket on the side of the cylinder head on this Cobalt. That was an easy one, no problems there. After that, I found a bad mass airflow sensor in a 2009 Suburban. Very easy. It was just really not responding. Dead mass airflow sensor. All kinds of lean codes and stuff like that. And after that, we had a 2006 Honda Pilot. That's what I finished my day out, just doing all keys lost. The ignition lock cylinder was replaced, and that was good. So today was a super productive day. And one other thing to tell you all about. On the membership website, check this out, guys. I want you to know what I got going on out there for you. We do have a new case study. This is for premium core members. We do have a new case study up there. This is on a Nissan NV2500 crank no start situation. It's a long story, very interesting to be honest with you, but we did get the vehicle resolved and fixed. That case study is for the core or premium members on the website. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started with our drawing here. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. I'm going to pick one of these out. I'm trying to make sure I only grab one because they stick together sometimes. And we have a winner. Uh-oh, this is not a winner. I'll tell you why. This is actually a person that helps me do some of my marketing work. And I can't get that focused. Just so you know, Renee, you did not win. You just happen to be on the list because she has access to the material. So, guys, you got to see that. Let's go ahead, drum roll, please. Let's do this again. Like I said, I print this list out. I chop up the names, put them in a bucket, and it's just challenging to try to grab one. And we are going to see who we got here. We have Andrew R. Andrew R., you are the winner of the AES Wave U Test Lead Kit. So there you go. Andrew and R. There you go. Andrew R.E. I will be reaching out to you via the email that you signed up with at the Hands-On Auto Training membership website. And I'll get this out to you, Andrew. So I'm looking forward to doing that for you. Congratulations. And my phone's beeping, and I have to get going. You guys have a great weekend. Bye-bye.